Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here on 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, it may work as well. You also guys have fuse for your wipers as well, so check out, we'll have the video about Ford F-150 wipers fuse location on our YouTube channel, so you can find more information. The glove box that we will need will be right under the hood. Above the radiator fan you have a fuse box right there, and if you open that fuse box it will look just like that. You have the fuses, and we can zoom in and show you clearly here now. You will be on this side of the fuse box, that will be towards the windshield side. But let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. You guys have only 3 different kinds of relays, but these relays, if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, they can cost you quite a bit of money, or you may not be even able to find them. So we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box just for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can see where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. The relay, guys, for the windshield wipers will be 1, 2. That second relay right here, that's the one that you need to check, guys. That relay right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.